with Chef Vannessa. Today we're making toast, but we're adding shrimp, some avocado, a little bit of chili and lime. Let's get started.
Okay, you guys, so we're gonna start with some beautiful, yummy brioche bread. And what we're gonna do is just give it a nice, thick, Texas style slice and add it to our toaster. And next up, all you want to do is take your chef's knife and graze it across your avocado, and it will separate beautifully. You want to remove that pit with either a spoon or your chef's knife. Wiggle it out however way you can, and then we want to go ahead and scoop our avocado into a bowl. Okay, so once your avocado is in the bowl, you want to give it a nice smash with the fork, and you just want it to be nice and pliable and spreadable for your toast. So once the consistency starts to become more like a spread, add your salt and pepper, and then set it to the side while we go ahead and start to prep our shrimp. And speaking of prepping our shrimp, check out these beautiful large prawns. I am obsessed. Okay, so all you want to do is go ahead and peel and devein your shrimp, and you want to make sure that you're using larger shrimp for this recipe, you guys, so that they're big enough to cover your toast and that you get that nice bite of shrimp in every bite. Added our salt and pepper. You want to go ahead and preheat your skillet to a medium to high temp with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to go ahead and give our shrimp a nice brown sear. What you want to do is let your shrimp cook on both sides for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until you get that nice brown crispy crust that's created from the sear. The little technique I picked up in culinary school, you guys. I'm massaging my lime so that when I squeeze it over the top of my shrimp, look at all of the juice that I'm able to extract.
Okay, you guys, the moment we've all been waiting for. Don't you hate when you plate something so beautifully and you just gotta mess it up? Because we're about to dig in. So, let's go ahead and cut through our toast here. Got some of that avocado. Let's get some of this shrimp on there. Okay. Might be a little messy. Oh my goodness. I I wasn't expecting that, you guys. This is really good. Okay, first off, the toast is perfect. Brioche is one of those breads that even if you toast it, it's so soft on the inside, but you get a nice crust on the outside, which is similar to what we did with the shrimp. The flavor for this shrimp is so tasty. That fresh lime juice that we squeezed on the top of it, with the hit of that chili powder, it is perfect. It's phenomenal. You guys have to try it. So as always, thank you guys so much for joining me today for our toasty new recipe. Follow me on Goodness Chef V at Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and we'll see you guys next week.